My name is Wina. I want to thank you all very much for your patronage in the previous video in Uncle Wisdom YouTube channel. Our class is usually uploaded every Sunday night. For now, please subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. Yeah, please subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. I beg you, share to your loved ones. Your family need it. Don't just be greedy. Watching it only you, I won't take it to the next word. Just share to your family, okay? I remain your favorite girl, Winner. Thank you.
Let us solve the last class exercises. Find the LCM of A. 450 and 600. Solution. We solve it with two methods: the normal method and by factorization. The normal method: 450, 600. 2 divide 450, we have 225. 2 divide 600, we have 300. 2 can go again. 2 divide 225 cannot go. But 2 divides 300, we have 450. Cannot go again. 2 divided this, we'll have 75. 225 divided by 3, we'll have 75. 75 divided by 3, we have 25. 3 can go again. 75 to 25. 25 cannot go. Then we use 5. 25 divided by 5, we have 5. 25 divided by 5, we have 5. 5 again. 5 divided by 5, we have 1. And here we have 1. This implies that LCM of 450 and 600 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 5. 5 multiplied by 5. That means that the product of these is 1,800. That is the answer. So B says of 12, 27, and 50. So let's use the easiest method. "12, 27, and 50. Solution. 12 divided by 2, we have 6. 27 divided by 2, it cannot go. 50 divided by 2 will have 25. Let's take 2 again. 6 divided by 2 will have 3. This cannot go, and 25 cannot go. We use 3. 3 into 3 will give us 1. 27 divided by 3, we have 9. 25 cannot go. We'll go by 3 again. 1 divided by 3 cannot go. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 25 divided by 3 cannot go. 3 again. 1 divided by 3 cannot go. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 25 divided by 3 cannot go. So we use 5 now. 1 divided by 5 cannot go. 1 divided by 5 cannot go. 25 divided by 5. 5. And we use 5. Cannot go, cannot go. And 5 divided by 5 will have 1. This implies that 1, 2. 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 times 3. 1, 2. 5 times 5. Then the product of this is 2,700. That is the answer.